Are you trying to decide between Docmost and Outline? You're not alone. Many people wonder which one is better for their needs. In this video, we will compare these two tools to help you make the right choice. Both Docmost and Outline are designed to help you organize your notes and documents effectively. They both aim to make your writing process smoother and more efficient. Let's start with Docmost. This tool focuses on collaboration. It allows multiple users to work on the same document at the same time. You can easily share your work with others, making it great for team projects. The interface is user friendly, which makes it easy for anyone to jump in and start using it right away. Now, let's look at Outline. This tool is more about structure. It helps you create detailed outlines for your projects. You can break down your ideas into sections and subsections. This makes it easier to see the big picture and keep your thoughts organized. Outline is perfect for writers who like to plan before they write. So, what are the main differences? DocMost shines in collaboration while Outline excels in organization. If you need a tool for teamwork, DocMost is the way to go. But if you prefer to outline your ideas first, Outline is better suited for that. When it comes to features, DocMost offers real-time editing and easy sharing. Outline provides templates for structuring your work. Both tools are easy to use, but they serve different purposes. In terms of pricing, Docmost may have a subscription model, while Outline might offer a one time purchase. It's best to check their websites for the latest details. In conclusion, if you work in a team and need collaboration, choose Docmost. If you like to plan and organize your ideas, go for Outline. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more comparisons.